Hey, it's Tyler from Method CNC and just with an update on our Hi-Ace GLX 200 series side pod. So it's been 3.5 weeks so far and we've been milling our foam plug out and we also fiberglassed it and re-milled it on the job. That all went great. Following that, we lifted it out of the machine and we started sanding. Now we were just sanding the machine marks and we filled any low spots or pinholes and faired them. We used boards and sanding pads and just an orbital on the flange. So once all the machine marks were out and any lows were filled, we 3D scanned it using our new markerless 3D scanner, which is great for objects of this size. The idea of scanning it at this point is just to verify that all the shape was fine before we move forward with the tooling process. So I brought it into CAD and I overlaid it on the CAD model. It looked great and the shape looked so good when you see it all in one color. We were really happy with how it came out. So I'm just going to zoom in on a feature here that you can see that I think that's a beautiful example of how we can maintain accurate geometry and really nice automotive quality shapes in our tooling work. I also grabbed the scan and I placed it on the side of the van that we scanned initially and designed this side pod for, and I was very happy with the fitment and the look, and I trimmed it in, and obviously this will help inform our final trim line, but yeah, I was very happy with how that looked. In terms of our project timeline, we're going pretty well. We're 3.5 weeks in and we're up to stage 4 tooling manufacture. We had a week there where we had to work on another project, which was that large fiberglass molded deck, which you'll see I have another video about. I'll put a link in the description if you haven't seen it. So yeah, we're very happy with our progress thus far. Now that we've scanned and verified the shape is still correct, the next step is to put a kind of a gloss layer onto it, so fine sanding, filling the pinholes, polishing, then we seal and release the plug, then we apply tooling, gel coat and subsequent layers of fiberglass, followed by a box frame, which in this case is just going to be some 18mm plywood, and then we can release our mold from our plug. So that's where we're up to, and thank you for your attention.